Welcome back. And 100 facts that will expand your knowledge and make you say,
What?
Largest statue. The Statue of Unity in India is the largest statue in the world, standing at 597 feet. Oldest human fossil. The oldest known human fossil, Homo sapiens, dates back around 300,000 years and was found in Morocco. Largest living bird. The ostrich is the largest living bird, capable of running at speeds up to 45 miles per hour. First mammal cloned. The first mammal cloned was Dolly the sheep, born in 1996. Largest cave. The largest cave in the world, Sun Dune Cave in Vietnam, is large enough to house a Boeing 747. Jellyfish heartbeat. Jellyfish do not have hearts or brains. They are composed of a simple network of nerves. First modern Olympics. The first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece, in 1896. Strongest muscle. The strongest muscle in the human body, relative to its size, is the masseter, the jaw muscle. Oldest instrument. The oldest known musical instrument is a flute made from a vulture bone, dating back 40,000 years. Tallest building. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the tallest building in the world, standing at 2,722 feet. First heart transplant. The first successful human heart transplant was performed by Dr. Christian Barnard in South Africa in 1967. Largest amphibian. The Chinese giant salamander is the largest amphibian, reaching lengths of up to 6 feet. First video game console. The Magnavox Odyssey, released in 1972, was the first home video game console. Largest volcano. Mauna Loa in Hawaii is the largest volcano on Earth in terms of volume and area covered. Oldest star. The oldest known star is 13.2 billion years old and is located in the Milky Way galaxy. Heaviest pumpkin. The heaviest pumpkin ever grown weighed 2,624 pounds and was grown in Belgium. Oldest known life. The oldest known life forms on Earth are 5 billion-year-old microfossils found in Australia. Huge thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it interesting and hit that subscribe button for more content like this coming soon.